at na niya po yung things have happened since then. Actually here with us not too long ago to talk to us about version from Christianity. It was uploaded on YouTube. Medyo nagkaroon po ng counting controversy, and she's back on the show today on Kababayan LA to discuss that with us and other things. Marami po siyang shows. Abangan niyo po Sara Balabagan ngayong hapon sa Kababayan LA. Pero bago ang lahat, makibalita naman po tayo sa Hollywood sa ating Nepalese Reports. Ruben Nepales, ang kauna-unahang Pinoy sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Magandang hapon sa iyo.
Ay, Gina, magandang hapon sa mga kababayan natin.
Talagang mukhang magandang hapon, Ruben. Ikaw, paikot-ikot ka. Kararating mo lang from Hawaii o marami na bang travel since then?
Marami ng travel since then.
Alright. Hawaii 5-0. Let's talk about this. It's a new series on CBS. And what's so great about this series?
Well, as you know, ito yung bali update ng favorite series natin noon. But now, ang magandang balita is that 50% of the main cast is Asian American, and that's Daniel Dae Kim at saka si Grace Park. So that's unusual for a primetime American TV show.
Yes, you know what? If we compare this to other series, in fact, yung mga iba pa nga nangyayari sa mga hospitals where there's a lot of Filipinos in reality, pero walang mga Asians na nakakast sa kanilang mga series. Pero ito, how were they able to pull it off?
Well, anyway, maganda rin kasi setting ng Hawaii. Tapos obvious naman kung hindi nila i-represent ang racial diversity ng Hawaii. So maganda na, and not only that, aside from Daniel Dae at saka si Grace, ang ating film actor na si Mark Dacascos has just been cast to play a recurring role. Tapos may mga iba pang mga Asian actors who are also hired as recurring characters.
Ayan, of course, congratulations to Mark Dacascos. He's been here on the show. Pero alam ko, Ruben, na-interview mo rin si Scott Caan at si Alex O'Loughlin. Kasama yung aso ni Scott. Kamusta yon?
Star din yung aso ni Scott because at one point tinawag siya to come and join us. Tapos biglang umakyat sa mesas yung aso. Her name is Dot, by the D-O-T. At tapos at first she was facing the two actors, pero pinaharap siya sa amin, and bigla na lang nag-post. Talagang nag-post siya, parang star na nag-post at finish pa niya yung post niya for us.
Aba, ang cute naman ng aso na to. So talagang trained siya. Parang
yes.
Pwede rin maging artista yan, ha?
Yes.
Alright, regarding Scott naman, how is it like for him to be an actor, no? Parang son of an actor din siya, si James Caan. So, mahirap ba daw yun for him na trying to break away from the dad's shadow?
Well, it's interesting to hear him kasi sabi niya he never wanted to be an actor when he was younger. So sabi niya parang it just happened for him. Pero parang right now he has misgivings or hindi pa siya sure sa acting career kasi there are other things he wants to do now. So it was interesting to hear him say na hindi pa siya talagang sure sa acting.
Oh, okay. Hindi pa sure sa acting. Ang sure naman ay ang ating mga Filipino-American actors na talagang really still trying to make waves in the mainstream, still trying to penetrate the mainstream. Pero mukhang maganda, no? Because of this, it makes us more positive na sana maging simula ito ng mas marami pang mga Asian Americans and also Filipino-American actors na makakast sa iba't ibang mga pelikula at mga TV shows.
Yes, in-interview ka namin ang film actress sila Rodney To at saka si Melody Butcher about it. Yung kasabi ka nila, natutuwa nga daw sila sa development na ito. Pero si Rodney gusto niya specifically na maganda itong mga gusto niyang mas marami pang leading character roles for Asian Americans, hindi lang puro supporting. At saka si Melody naman, she has seen daw shows where originally para sa Asian American yung character, pero somewhere on the way naging Caucasian daw yung role na yan. So she's interested in the process, how that creative process went.
Ayan. Alam mo, ikaw, Ruben, you've been with the Hollywood Foreign Press Association for a while now also. Marami ka na ring mga, you hobnob, rubbing elbows with, Hollywood actors and producers as well. What are your thoughts on this issue?
Well, isa rin sa mga aking advocacy to see more Asian American actors in shows. So every time we interview, especially sa mga American TV show producers and directors, that's one of the things I raise, lalo na, about how if we can see more Asian Americans or if we can reflect the true diversity of America sa mga shows na ito. Like we interviewed Jada Pinkett Smith, who's the producer of Hawthorne, and she's also in it. At siya nga ang lead role din doon. So I asked her about it too, and sabi nga din niya, agree siya because ang nanay niya was a nurse. Okay. And yun daw ang reklamo ng nanay niya noon na when she watches these medical dramas, hindi nakikita yung racial diversity na makikita mo sa hospitals.
So, ikaw ba, when you ask them about, raising this issue, Filipinos, Filipino Americans, mga Filipinos in the hospitals, Filipino nurses, do they know about the Philippines?
Yes, of course. Aware naman sila kasi marami na rin tayong actors na, that they've encountered or maybe they've cast as in their films or in their shows. So they're very much aware.
So it's just a matter of really pushing, and hopefully one day we'll see more lead roles for Asian Americans, Filipino Americans.
That's our goal, Janelle, and I'm so glad too that you are joining us in this advocacy.
Oo, syempre. Thank you then for fighting for us, Ruben. You more than anyone else is in the best place talaga because you're in there. You're within them. Pero Ruben, what are you working on naman for your columns?
Lalabas ngayon. That was lalabas din na aking interview with Harrison Ford at on Sunday si Russell Crowe.
Ayan, grabe. Ang iyong mga barkada, Harrison Ford at si Russell Crowe.
Di naman,
aabangan namin yan only in Hollywood, Inquirer.net. Thank you so much, Ruben, and more power to you.
Thank you. Bye.
That was Ruben Nepales, ang ating pong kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Meanwhile, dalawang tulog na lang po magkikita na Manny Pacquiao at Antonio Margarito. What do they have to say about all this? When we return, don't go away.